Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing today? In this video, we'll make an audio spectrum that actually syncs with your audio. Sometimes we don't want to show our face in the videos, but we want our audio to be displayed in a very professional manner. To make such audio spectrum, you need certain applications. First, we need an application to record the audio. So for this purpose, you can use your inbuilt audio recorder, or you can download any application from Play Store such as Smart Recorder or Record4j 2. Then you need an application to edit the audio, to trim out or cut out the unwanted and mistake parts from the audio. So for this purpose, we will use the Kinemaster application. Then we need an application to enhance the quality of the audio output. So for this purpose, we will use the AudioLab application. And finally, we need an application to produce or to make the audio spectrum sync with the audio. So for this purpose, we will use the 𝐶HK-SND application. The name looks complex, but it's pretty easy to use this application. So the link of all these applications are given in description box. You can download them for free from Play Store. After recording the audio, obviously it will have some mistakes and errors in it, right? So go to Kinemaster and select any background image and then click on the audio option to add the recorded audio. Now take your time and trim and cut the unwanted parts from the audio, and then finally you will get a result like this. Now this final video result has the required audio in it. There is no mistakes and errors in it. Okay, so you can export it right now. Then open the AudioLab application. In this application, you can enhance your audio quality. I have already made a separate video on this topic, so make sure to check it out. I will give the link in description. So for now, click on the video to audio option and add the video. You will find the video in the export category. Alright, so change the name of the audio so it will be easier for you to find it out. Let me keep the date as the name. And change the output format to MP3. Then click here and save it. Alright, then open the last application, which is the 𝐶HK-SND application. Click on the load music option here and add the audio which you just saved. So the name was 1st Feb 2021. So let me find out. Here it is, 1st Feb 2021. It will take some time to load the music. Then click on the plus option here at the bottom and add spectrum. Now click here to edit the spectrum. Alright, so there are a lot of options, but do not change these options. Just do it as I do. Scroll down and here you'll get an option called as type. So either you can set it at circle or bar. Right now I will use the circle option, but you can also use the bar option. It looks pretty good. Then you can change the radius slightly. Here is the main thing, which is the frequency bands and thickness. Play with these settings and try to find out the best one for you. Right now I will keep the thickness to 3 and frequency band to something around 40. So this looks like this, but you can see the waves are on both the sides. So here on the side option, here you get 3 options: A, B, A and B. Keep it at A or B. The A1 looks so much better, so I will go with the A1. So that's all. Now play with all the settings such as the maximum height and the radius option to find out the best one for you. And then when you are done with it, click on the export option at the top and it will take some time to export. Alright, then open the Kinemaster application and from the image section add a black image. Then click on the color option here and change the color to slightly grayish tone. Then click on the layer option and import the audio spectrum video which we exported from the 𝐀𝐧𝐝𝐫𝐴 application. Then click on the blending option and select the screen blending. Again click on the layer option and import your channel logo. Then add a text to it. Once again click on the layer option and add an image or a video. Go to the blending option and select the overlay option. And then send the video layer to back. So this is the first design that you can make using this audio spectrum. And now let's see the next design. First let me delete all these layers, then I will add the next spectrum that I have, the bar spectrum. As I showed you before, you can either go with the circle spectrum or the bar spectrum. Both of them looks good to me. Alright, then as before, click on the blending option and select the screen blending. Alright, so now I will basically place them at the left side. I will place the text layer below the spectrum layer. So once after placing it properly, download an image from the description box. I will give the link. This is basically a PNG of a line image. I will place it here and duplicate the layer, and then I will align it properly to make a line. Now select the layer and go to the cropping option so that the line doesn't overlap with the spectrum layer. And after cropping it, decrease the opacity of the layer to 20%. Do the same steps with all the layers, all the line layers. First crop it if it is overlapping and then decrease the opacity to 20%. And then finally go to the layer option once again and add an image or a video to it and send it back. You can then try out different blending options to find out which one looks better to you. So this was the second design which you can make using this audio spectrum. So if you are looking forward to make YouTube videos without face cam, but you want your audio presentation to be very clean and professional, then this might be a great technique for you. You can apply such techniques in all your videos and this is really going to look amazing. So that was all for this video. If you have liked the process and the techniques and you want others to see this video, then make sure to drop a like. It helps YouTube to recommend this video to others. Also, if you have time, then make sure to drop a comment. It makes me happy. If you have watched this video till the end, it means you really want to improve your video quality. So here is an excellent video for you where I have shown how you can make a professional and clean screen recording video presentation using Kinemaster.